If you haven't guessed it yet, today we are talking about product videos and why some of them look so freaking good. Hey there, I'm Marcel and welcome back to a brand new video. If you're new around here, which you probably are looking at the statistics, I'm an 18-year-old filmmaker from Budapest, Hungary. I recently started a creative agency with a couple other very talented creators, and I also post a lot of behind the scenes and tutorials about filmmaking here and on Instagram as well, so if you are interested, make sure to keep on watching. So in the past year, product videos have been on a massive rise thanks to Daniel Schiffer and his amazing videos. Everyone just loves the format, there's a ton of room for creativity, and compared to music videos or commercials, they require a lot less equipment. So you can create a banger video in your kitchen or in your living room with just one handheld camera, some kind of backdrop or set design, and minimal lighting. Nowadays I can even scroll through a whole page on Instagram without bumping into some kind of product videos, so let's just say that they are really popular and I probably watched way too many of them. I've seen a lot of really good and also not so good ones, and I started to notice a pattern in the not so good ones, that they all use like the latest and greatest editing and masking tricks, but they just weren't able to make the product itself look sexy. Which, by the way, should be the main focus of a product video. It's the kind of mistake where you change just one little thing and it makes the biggest difference ever. So the title of this video is probably something like one secret behind all product videos, and at this point I kind of decided I actually want to share two secrets. So the first and the biggest one is just simple old school glycerin mixed with some water. You've probably seen this effect a lot of times in commercials where water is just dripping down on the side of a cold or at least cold looking beverage. And well, chances are that's not actually water. The problem with water in this case is that it's not dense and sticky enough, and it goes down way too fast on the side of a can, and it doesn't stay in one place. So you need to mix it with some glycerin, which is a natural oil, and it's also transparent, so the end result will look just like water on camera. I've been experimenting with this a lot recently, and I found that doing 1 part glycerin and 3 part water is kind of the best mixture. You can usually buy glycerin in your local pharma or drugstore, but I also put an Amazon link in the description where you can buy some if you don't find any in your local stores. Also, you'll need some type of misting spray bottles so you can get that mixture a lot easier on the product. You can usually find these in local hairdressing supply stores, but if you can't find any, same thing, link is in the description. And just like that, we made a boring looking can into a sexy looking can that just came out of the freezer. You can also play around with creating bigger drops and filming them go down on the side of a can, and you can even place them in a way that when they are going down, they are actually highlighting core information, which makes boring information communicating shots like, oh, there's this much protein in this powder, a lot more interesting. The second biggest thing I see a lot of people mess up with these product videos is simple angles. With product videos, you always want to place the camera as low as possible and then tilt up instead of placing it just completely horizontally in front of the subject. By placing the camera low and then tilting it up, you're creating an effect where the product appears a lot bigger than it might be in real life, which instantly makes it stand out from all the other products. And also, it's a lot easier to catch someone's eye with an unnatural looking product than with just a normal one that you see all the time on the shelves. So yeah, even when you know the craziest, latest and greatest editing and masking tricks, sometimes going back to the basics is what makes the biggest difference. Also, if you haven't done any product videos yet, I highly recommend you to try it out and just create something, because I know product videos are not my main thing, but I really enjoyed making these and it was really nice and refreshing to put myself in a different workflow. But yeah, I think that's it for today. Make sure to rate this video with a like or a dislike if you hate every single minute of it, or if you have a more complex opinion, make sure to drop a comment down below. I answer every single one of them. Subscribe if you want to see more content like this, and I see you guys next time. Yo.